PRC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
Hey, this is James Spann. You've clicked onto the Weather Xtreme video for the first day of April. And weather pretty interesting here for the next 5 days. But then again, it always is this time of the year. First off, some sky cam shots. After some morning rain, the sky has cleared over parts of North Alabama. There's our Birmingham sky cam looking north from the top of the Daniel building. The sky becoming mostly sunny. How about that? And the same thing from the Jasper sky cam up in Walker County. A good supply of sunshine there as we look at the Walker County Courthouse. Still some clouds over in the eastern side of the state. That's the view coming from Mount Cheahaw, the camera that's on top of the restaurant there. There's our water vapor satellite imagery, and you can see the upper support for the front is long gone. It's passing way north of here, moving up into eastern Canada, and that old front will be stalling out around here. And for that reason, the weather stays somewhat unsettled, even though we have the temporary clearing. There's a peek at the radar at early afternoon, a little after 2 o'clock, and the rain that we had this morning is now down below us over Montgomery and Auburn, places like that. We note that new batch of showers developing up around Tupelo, Mississippi. In fact, there's the Columbus NexRad, and you can see more showers beginning to form over Mississippi and western Tennessee. And we're going to maintain the chance of a few showers for the rest of this afternoon, tonight, and tomorrow as well. In fact, look at that. Now, this is the surface-based Cape. The instability, and yeah, we got a little instability showing up now where the sun is shining over North Alabama. The Cape's up there over 500 joules, so we could see a few scattered showers cranking up even this afternoon, no doubt about that. On the convective outlook for the rest of the day and tonight, the guys at Norman have taken out the formal severe weather risk that they had for Louisiana and South Mississippi and Southwest Alabama. But tomorrow there's a slight risk with our new system over parts of Oklahoma and Texas, roughly from Wichita Falls up to Tulsa. And then on Thursday, that risk expands out there over a large part of Texas, Oklahoma, into Arkansas, Louisiana. And day 4 and day 5, problems for Alabama if this is right, and that would be mainly late Friday afternoon, Friday night, maybe early Saturday morning, with a fairly potent system coming through here. But on the positive side, the purple colors are looking good on that map. That's the QPF map, the expected rain across the country, valid through Sunday morning at 7 o'clock. And this is suggesting some 2-inch rains over much of Alabama. We'll take that. And even heavier rains where they really don't need it from Tulsa back up to Louisville. Some 4 and 5-inch totals up through there. Let's check out the modeling. This is where we are at 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, about 18,000 feet off the ground, coming off the 12Z run of the Global Forecast System, the GFS. Again, we've got kind of a zonal flow here. That front is stalled out, and accordingly, there might be a shower somewhere. This run suggesting the better chance of showers tomorrow would be south of Interstate 20 and maybe south of Clanton, south of Alabama 22. But we'll mention a chance of scattered showers tomorrow just in case. Certainly not a rainy day by any means. Just keep in mind a shower will be possible. And then Thursday, that's still problematic because two things are happening. First off, the surface front is lifting north as a warm front in advance of that low that's over Amarillo. And then the wedge is coming in from the east, cold air draining down the Appalachians. And it might be a day where Tuscaloosa hits 80, and in Heflin and Wadowee and Roanoke, they might have a hard time reaching 60 on Thursday. So just keep in mind it's going to be one of those tight gradient days. And again, there could be a shower Thursday, but it's not going to be a rainy day. Now, Friday, here comes our trough out to the west. And we'll take a look at the surface chart. The surface low is near Columbus, Ohio, with a trailing band of showers and storms down through Memphis and Shreveport. And then at midnight Friday night, that stuff blows through here. And really, each run has been suggesting recently that the primary window for strong to severe storms would come Friday night, really from maybe 6 o'clock Friday evening until 6 o'clock Saturday morning. And there will be some decent upper support for that, so we'll keep an eye on that. And then Saturday at midday, it's gone. So just keep in mind, Friday night, things get a little rough around here. And then Sunday will be in good shape. That'll be a dry and pleasant day. Monday of next week, a little disturbance passes north of the state, and we believe at this point the showers with that will stay north, but we'll watch that. And then Tuesday, April 8th, 10th anniversary of the big F5 tornado in Birmingham. New surface low developing over Texas. A warm front seems to be north of here, so it looks like that day will be dry. And then on Wednesday of next week, here comes that trough. And Thursday, the 10th now, that seems to be the target day for the next big round of showers and storms. There you go. Big old deep surface low under 990 millibars with a trailing front. That looks like it might be a deal for strong to severe storms. And at the end of the forecast period, the 17th, a week later, trough ridge trough over the country. Looks like a little front in here, but hey, we know that's all voodoo out here. We're just peaking. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful evening, and God bless.
Weather.